Hey guys, here we have the Logitech G Pro gaming headset, and let's take a look at the box itself. It's got quite a big box. If we take a look at the side, you can see that yes, the Logitech G is the choice of programmers and esports leagues worldwide. You've got a few of the teams here: G2 Esports, TSM, Royals Never Give Up. Nothing much here. On the other side, we can see the list of things that are inside the box, which we'll get to in a moment. So let's open the box up. So here you have the headset itself. You've got the cords, the aux cable, you've got a splitter, an aux to USB adapter, the mic, a few documents. This is the manual kind of thing, instructions, warranty, etc. We'll keep these aside. So here we have the Logitech G Pro headset. If you at first glance you can see that it doesn't look like your conventional gaming headset. It's got a very professional look to it. If you look at the sides, the cups have a silver G on it, which is it's a metallic shiny G. Looks very nice. And the top, you'll see it has a leatherette finish feeling to it. It's quite soft and comfy, and this is actually quite a heavy headset at 320 grams. However, when we did wear it, it didn't feel that heavy. The clamps on these are quite strong, so if you've got a big head it might feel a bit uncomfortable, but otherwise they're quite comfy. And you can see that you can extend the sides here depending on the size of your head for the most comfortable fit. But overall, yeah, it doesn't look like your conventional gaming headset. Taking a closer look at the headset, the headband obviously, as you know, has that leatherette material, but the same material is used for the cups as well, which also feature memory foam. So that is for comfort. Obviously, the cups themselves are supported, or rather attached to the leather headband using aluminium forks, so it's quite sturdy, and at the same time it's not very blingy like what you'd expect from gaming headsets. It's got a very nice look to it. So here you've got the aux cable for the Logitech G Pro, and on it you've got this little controller here, which has with it a volume control for the G Pro, and it also has a quick mute button for the mic, which is very convenient. It's also got a little clip on it, which you can clip onto your t-shirt, and it goes into the headset over here, right? Next to it you have another port. This is for the mic, which we have over here. The mic is also very easy to clip in. You just have to, there we go, it's as simple as that, and the mic is in. The G Pro also comes with other accessories for the aux cable, so it's really not an issue no matter what type of setup you have. If you require a splitter in where you need to put the individual audio and mic jacks, you can obviously just plug this in. Otherwise, if you've got a uni jack like many laptops do, you don't need the splitter. And additionally, you can even use this with USB. You just have to plug it into this adapter and simply plug in this USB-A connector. So another thing about the Logitech G Pro is you have the G Hub software. So while it's got quite a lot of features on the G Hub software, where you can change the audio around to the way to whatever is most comfortable for you, and accordingly you can adjust, you can even set up various audio profiles for the different games that you try. So you could have a bass heavy setup for like when you're listening to music, but you could turn it all the way down when you're playing FPS games, for example. Thanks for watching our unboxing of the Logitech G Pro gaming headset.